Ever wondered how cells divide and multiply? Today, we're diving into the fascinating processes of mitosis and meiosis, the two ways cells divide. Let's start with mitosis. Mitosis is how most of your body's cells divide to produce identical copies. It's used for growth, repair, and replacing old or damaged cells. The process begins with the cell's DNA replicating. Then, the cell goes through stages like prophase, where chromosomes condense, metaphase, where chromosomes line up, and anaphase, where they are pulled apart. Finally, in telophase, two identical daughter cells are formed, each with the same number of chromosomes as the original cell. Now, meiosis is a bit different. It's how sex cells, sperm and eggs, are made. Unlike mitosis, meiosis results in cells with half the number of chromosomes, so when fertilization happens, the resulting cell has a complete set. Meiosis involves two rounds of division. In the first round, the chromosomes are shuffled and divided, while the second round splits those chromosomes further, resulting in 4 unique daughter cells. So mitosis creates identical cells for growth and repair, while meiosis creates sex cells for reproduction. Together, these processes ensure life continues and evolves. Got more questions about how cells work? Drop a comment and I'll explain it all.